Of people who are going to the doctor for flu-like symptoms here in the United States and at home, highest that we've seen in nearly 30 years. All but 4 states are showing high or very high levels of flu activity, and we're not even at the typical peak of flu season.
It's a combination of factors that has unfortunately created this so-called perfect storm of cases.
Dr. Harris blames a new flu strain called subclade K and lagging flu vaccination rates this season. The good news, severe cases of the flu that put people in the hospital aren't as high. Well, even if you've managed to avoid the flu, the early spike in cases could still impact you. News 5 anchor Tracy Carlos spoke with local healthcare leaders and tells us now how bad the spread is in Ohio and what it could mean for your next trip to the doctor or hospital.
30 states are reporting a very high level of flu right now, and Ohio is one of them. Jana Rush with the Board of Health in Cuyahoga County says flu cases have spiked, and since flu season started in September.
Over 2,600 emergency department visits have currently occurred right now in Cuyahoga County, and we're seeing over 200 hospitalizations have occurred so far year to date in the county. And so that's a very high level of activity.
And that experts say is higher than normal for this early in the flu season. The coughing, the sneezing, chills and fever, all symptoms of the flu, and leading to longer wait times to see a doctor.
The flu is everywhere, outpatient, emergency departments, as well as in the hospital.
Dr. Camille Sabella is the director of pediatric infectious diseases at Cleveland Clinic's Children's Hospital.
I will say that flu this year has come a little bit earlier than we usually see.
Sabella told me the flu is affecting both kids and adults.
The rise in December and early January has been significant. And right now, as compared to last year at this time, we're seeing significantly more cases.
The flu is spread very easily.
Across the country, the CDC estimates there have been 11 million cases of the flu, 120,000 hospitalizations, and 5,000 deaths. So far, Rush told me, here in Cuyahoga County, luckily no one has died from the flu. Although cases are spiking right now, the worst, experts say, may still be to come.
My sense is that this is a severe flu season, but exactly how severe as compared to other years, we'll definitely have to wait to see.
Because there are still several more months of flu season ahead of us. In Cleveland, Tracy Carlos, News 5.